sea day today. It's a bit of a windy one. Apparently there's a storm coming up the east coast of the US. We're about 100 miles from it, but they said we were going to get the after effects. I've never felt the ship move all cruise, but today it's rocking, you can feel it. But then I was kind of expecting it to be bad up here, but it's not. It's absolutely lovely, but it is windy. So yeah, last sea day, last day of the cruise. So I was going to be packing up this morning because it's a busy afternoon of entertainments. Sails now on. So I'm all ready for my bingo. I've got my prosecco, I've got my scratch card, I've got my pens, I've got my books to keep me going while I'm waiting. See the big screen and the little screens, so we're all good. Oh, they've closed the promenade deck because it's a little bit rough out there. I mean, you can feel the ship moving. You can see the waves going. It's not terrible, can't feel a lot of movement. It rocked me to sleep last night. A bit more sea day entertainment, so I've got my prosecco again. This is not the same glass I've been carrying around, and I've got my little voting pad because we're on Voice of the Ocean this afternoon, and the red chase has been round. I don't actually watch it on telly, but I've seen it at sea before and it's very good. So they've been guests practicing, so we the audience get to vote. Today's been great, and I've had plenty of prosecco as well, which might explain why I'm having a great time.
Don't try to find me. It's hard to sing the song of every night and every day. Oh yeah. You're better than all the rest. so very good, and they're not done yet.
So it's 8 AM and I'm all packed and ready to leave cabin A331. It has been splendid, it's been very comfortable, so cheerio Caribbean Princess. Oh look, they're setting up for somebody else's sail away tonight. While they're sailing away from New York, I will be enjoying New York. But even so, Caribbean Princess has been fantastic. I've had an absolutely wonderful time on this ship. So, yeah, definite recommendation. So it's good morning from New York City. We have the Statue of Liberty. And then swinging around here, which I've just seen, and it is quite breathtaking. It's the Manhattan skyline. Good morning from New York City. And at the same time, goodbye Caribbean Princess, because it's been amazing. Had a lovely time on this ship, and it's a fabulous cruise itinerary.